Welcome to WyoMakers. This is the first makerspace at the University of Wyoming. There are others that are being planned, but this represents the first phase of how makerspaces can be used in education. Right now, we have two workstations. There's a PC and a Mac. Both are installed with all the software students could possibly want to work on different projects, from videography, mobile photography, 3D printing, 3D design in general. We do have all the Autodesk software. We have the Adobe Creative Cloud software. Or maybe you want to learn how to make a comic book. We even have comic book software. We have students who are designing up boats in a design elective, in an engineering design elective. They can use cardboard and foil, easily accessible materials in a classroom. They can then take pictures from different angles, pull that into a 3D modeling software, whether it's Tinkercad or Autodesk AutoCAD. And then we can take that file and print it on our 3D printer. We just printed up a very small version of Jackson Hole, Wyoming. A student could design this to be slightly larger if they were in a social studies class and create a diorama of their area and talk about the wildlife habitats. They could have to write up a story that goes with it. So we're combining a little bit of social studies, a little bit of history, a little bit of science, and a little bit of language arts as these students come together to work on these projects. At the undergraduate level, WyoMakers has an important mission. So many schools have makerspaces today, if not a designated facility, at least a room in the school that has equipment similar to this. If we want our teachers to be prepared to teach in those schools, they need to get that experience at the undergraduate level. If we have teachers in schools who aren't comfortable with that level or with that technology, then we can conduct professional development through this space and have these teachers actually work through the same activities. So you have pre-service teachers and in-service teachers designing a comic book or creating a digital story using this equipment. When they get that experience, they can then take that to their students to get that experience.